Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking platform, which is ClickUp and Evernote. So to get started with a quick analysis and a review about these two platforms, ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity platform designed for project management and team collaboration. It lets you combine tasks, docs, goals, and timeline in a unified space, perfect for people who want their notes to be directly tied to their document or workflows. With powerful collaboration, flexible view options, and automation, ClickUp is great for March for project manager and teams who need a tools that brings everything together. Now, talking about Evernote, on the other hand, focuses on organizing information and knowledge. It lets you capture notes, document, PDFs, and more, all in a searchable, flexible notebook format within its powerful search, tags, and notebook structure. Evernote is perfect for individuals who want a lightweight knowledge base and a place to safely store their ideas. So if you need a unified productivity platform, go for ClickUp. But if you want a classic, powerful note takeout, Evernote might be your best match in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section which of these AI note taking app would be your best option. And that's it.